glad you joined me today, because what I want to do is show you how to make this quick and easy baked salmon. It takes 12 minutes to bake this salmon, and it is so healthy. Let's get going. I have two 4-ounce salmon fillets with the skin on. We won't worry about the skin. We'll take that off after they've been cooked. What we want to do first is pat these fillets dry, and I do that using paper towels. Now I'm going to preheat my oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees centigrade. Next, I'm going to take my baking pan, has sides, and I'm going to spray it with a little foil, just enough to get my parchment paper to stick. You do not have to use parchment paper, but I like how easy it makes the cleanup. Next, let's put our fillets down, skin down. Now spray your fillets with olive oil. Next, take 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and just drizzle that over the fillets. Now, I'm going to put fresh herbs on mine, but you're more than welcome to use dried. They do taste just about the same, but I'm putting garlic on, and that's about 2 teaspoons of garlic. Then I've chopped fresh rosemary, and 2 teaspoons full, and then fresh thyme. But again, powdered garlic and dried thyme, dried rosemary work just fine. Let's add some freshly ground pepper, about 1/8 teaspoon, and about 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. Okay, these are ready to put in the oven. We're going to bake these for 12 minutes or until they reach an internal temperature of 145 degrees. The salmon is cooked. I must admit though, my salmon took 15 minutes to get it to 145 degree internal temperature. So it depends on how thick your salmon is and how hot your oven does get. This looks delicious. Let's plate it. There's our salmon. Looks delicious, doesn't it? So I fixed up some pasta with an Alfredo sauce and some peas, and I've put a lemon on the side for extra flavor. Let's take a bite of this. Delicious. Quick and easy baked salmon. You're going to have to give this a try today. Quick and easy baked salmon.